Hello Pi community, it's me, Iris, your least favorite YouTuber on YouTube probably. This is my first video about why Pi Network has no fucking future. I received a huge amount of attention from Pi communities. From there, we had a lot of debates and made several videos. From some of your perspective, I'm simply being trolling Pi for no reason. I'm a hater of Pi project. So today I want to make this video to clarify a few things. First, I do not hate Pi project, but I do dislike the way it operates. Some of those Pi supporters, they don't think rationally. They think Pi is next Bitcoin. They have unrealistic expectation for this project. They think this project will make them rich. The way they leave a comment, they have no logic, they have no rationalities whatsoever. They just keep trolling me, leaving me really stupid comments. For those people, I don't have much to say. Say whatever you want, and I think you guys being ridiculous. But however, some of those Pi supporters are quite rational. They have really great conversation with me. I'm responding to those people. I have some genuine thoughts about this project. First, I do not have a personal issue with this project, and for me, it's very clear the founding team, the fancy PhD from Stanford, this guy has already abandoned this project. There has been no code update for over a year. What is left is just a simple app. People can log in and just click buttons, receive some fake coins. Basically, there's no different than any other membership points you collect from any website. It has nothing to do with the cryptocurrency. It has nothing to do with the blockchain technology. And that's the problem. Some of those people are operating this project. They're running the community. They make unrealistic promise to the followers and to make them believe Pi Network is very special. Technically speaking, this project is nothing special at all. Mining with your phone is very 2017. There's nothing new about this technology. We've seen many projects operate this way, and all of them disappeared. Quite often, they operate and promote the project in a Ponzi scheme or pyramid cells. In Asian countries, those kind of Ponzi scheme has already happened over and over again. A lot of you arguing that you're not investing any money, but you do invest in your time. I don't think it's the best way to invest their time. Even some of them, they don't believe that time have that much value. I would definitely suggest you guys find something better to do. If you really like crypto, you can just find some project, to do some network testing to get actual airdrop that you can cash out, make a few $100s per year. Still better than use your time and spending your time in this Pi community, which really isn't a legit project. Why do I see that? Why Pi Network is not a legit project? The reason is very simple. There's no actual developers that are working on this project. And that's the problem. You don't have a team. You just have a bunch of followers. You gather together in your chat room, supporting each other. Hope one day someone else will develop the mainnet and will launch the mainnet. You can cash out the coin you'll be mining. But the harsh reality, all you guys have been doing is just provide free labors for those people who can profit from your login and selling advertisement to you guys. To be honest, that's kind of sad. But that's not the reason I'm making this video today. I want to have an honest conversation with you guys. Again, I stand by my statement over and over again. Pi Network is a bullshit project, but I do admire your enthusiasm in pursuing cryptocurrency, which is why I'm making a proposal to Pi Network community. If you guys are so passionate about building this Pi Network, instead of waiting for someone else to build the mainnet for you guys should work together, build the actual mainnet and launch the project to make the project legit, to build actual utility, a real blockchain, and launch your actual Pi coins. And that way, Pi Network may start it as a joke for me, but it could end up something significant like a Dogecoin. Dogecoin started as a joke. So instead of investing your time trolling me in the comment section, why don't you guys just search some tutorial videos about Solidity, started to write your own mainnet, an actual blockchain mainnet, and started to learn how to write a smart contract and deploy some decentralized apps on your real Pi Network. In that way, all your time and passion and enthusiasm can be spent on a real blockchain project. By that time, I will genuinely wish you guys the best, and I hope one day your project will succeed.